Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install FreshBooks app for tracking expenses, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install the FreshBooks app for tracking expenses, start by unlocking your smartphone. Go to the App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you're on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type FreshBooks. Press the search button or hit enter. You will see a list of results related to FreshBooks. Look for the FreshBooks app with the official logo. Tap on the app icon. Now, you'll see the option to download or install the app. If you see Get on iPhone, tap that button. For Android, you'll see the Install button, tap it. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the FreshBooks app. If you already have an account, tap Sign In. Enter your email and password, then tap Log In. If you're a new user, tap Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your registration. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. From here, you can start tracking your expenses. Navigate to the Expenses section on the menu. Tap on Add Expense to enter your first expense. Fill in the required details like amount, date, and category. Once done, tap Save to record the expense. Explore other features to make the most out of your FreshBooks app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.